Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds, and if you want to be a property investor, you basically need money and you need property investment deals. That's what you need. So where are you going to get money from? Where are you going to get property investment deals from? Well, I'll tell you what I did, and I'm going to keep this real, ridiculous, simple. People are, oh, that's so simple. Well, okay. Here's what I did. I got deals from Rightmove. Listen, people say, oh, you know, if you get deals on Rightmove, you're an amateur. No. When you're an amateur, fine, you might go to Rightmove and then you become professional and then you start going off market, you know, back doors, you start advertising. But when you become seasoned again, you start going back to Rightmove. Because, you know, let me tell you why. On Rightmove, there are hundreds and hundreds of thousands of property deals on Rightmove. So if you know what to look for, if you know how to calculate the return on investment, if you know how to negotiate a deal, you can get a deal online from Rightmove. Right now, everything's open. Estate agents are open, construction's open, surveyors are open. Everything's open. There's loads of motivated people. So if you're struggling to find deals, you just got to get good at finding deals. Believe me, they're everywhere. Okay, cool. Next, money. How are you going to get money? What happens if you don't have any money? Do you have to save up? No! That's what they tell you to do. They tell you to work hard, save up money. But what happens is, even if you're saving up money, saving up £1,000 a month, okay? Maybe you need £30,000. By the time you get that £30,000 in 30 months, house prices have gone up. And you're like, oh man, I need to save up another 10 months. Then you get demoralized, and then suddenly something comes up. You get married, and you need to spend the 30 grand on that. And then you start over again. And this repeats itself until you're 67 years old, and then you retire. Where are you going to get money from? You're not going to use your own money, you're going to use other people's money. Samuel just sells people dreams. No, this is just what I did. This is what many people do. So the deals are okay. The deals are there. Where are you going to get the money from? Let me tell you something. Most people, because they're told to do this, they save up money, they put it in the bank. You're going to go find all those people, the suckers, if you want to call them that have followed this and that have got money, they've saved it up, they've put it in the bank. And there's millions of people with millions of pounds, okay? There's not a limited amount of money. There's an unlimited amount of money. I mean, geez, do you know they just printed off another 150 billion pounds? By the way, a billion is 1,000 million. If you can't get your hands on 1 million, you got a problem. Just one. They just printed off 150 billion. That's a million, 1,000 times, and then again, 150 times. They just printed that. And then a few months ago, they printed off 200 billion. And people are saving this money. They're saving their pennies. They're putting it in the bank. And it's depreciating in value. It's shrinking in value. Like in Zimbabwe, where you go and get a taxi and they say it's a trillion Zimbabwe dollars to get a taxi. It's like, a trillion? What happened? I'll tell you what happened. They kept printing money, and it shrunk, and now it's worthless. That's what's happening in the UK. They're printing money. So what you need to do is you need to approach folks who've got loads of money in the bank because they've worked hard and they've followed the system. And you just say, hey, I got a deal. I got it from Rightmove. I got it from Zoopla. I got it from Gumtree. I got it from Oprah. I got it from Spare Room. I got it from a friend. I got it from networking. I got it by speaking out on social media and saying I'm a property investor. And even though I had some haters, and even though some people laughed at me, and even some people said, you're not a property investor, you've only got one house, you haven't got any houses, you're speaking it out, you're speaking it into existence, and guess what? Now I've got this deal. Now I've got this property. But guess what? I haven't got any money for the deal. But am I right in thinking that you've got £50,000 in the bank? And you're making how much? How much is the bank giving you again? Zero. And your friend will go, oh no, it's really good. I've just moved it around from this ISA to that ISA. So they're giving me zero. It was 0.3%. No, it's 0.9. It's tripled. I'm like, listen, with respect, if it starts with a zero, it's bad. So the bank are giving you 0 point something %. How about this? Give me half of your savings, 25 grand. Let me put that into this deal. And I'll give you 10% return on investment. Guaranteed. But of course, you've got the deal, which is giving you 20% return on investment. You're making the same as they're making, but they put in all the money and you put in nothing. That's called a joint venture. That's called raised finance. That's how you buy properties. Then you snowball. You get better at raising finance. You get better at asking people for money. You get more well networked. You find better deals. The best way to build relationships with estate agents is to buy from them. When you buy from them, they'll pass you better deals again and again. I've been in the game now for 12 years. I've been buying houses for 12 years. I get the best deals. I got people trying to joint venture with me all the time. It's easy. Is it going to be easy for you? It depends on how you define easy. I mean, people say, Samuel, you make everything look so easy, as if it's a negative. I'm like, that's a good thing. Cristiano Ronaldo makes football look easy because he's good at it. I'm glad I make property investing look easy. And yeah, I do make it look easy because you know why? Complexity is the thief of execution. You know, most people try and make it look really complicated to make themselves look really clever. I'm like, no, I'm a working class boy. I'm 29 years old. I become a multi-millionaire via property. Very successful. Was it easy to begin with? I don't know. Everything's hard. If you got a 9 to 5, it's hard. Being fat's hard, but working out and being slim's also hard. I've done both. Being broke's hard, being rich is also hard. Life's friggin' hard. Get over it. But if you're going to work hard anyway, you may as well get rich. And the best way to get rich, just look on Sunday Times. Look at the Sunday Times. Like 90% of them are investing in property. You want to invest in property, you can do that too. All I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make the barrier to entry. I'm trying to make it lower to help more people become on the property ladder because that's what's going to bring financial freedom. That's what's going to bring financial independence. That's what the government is trying to actually stop you doing. But Samuel, what about Help to Buy schemes? I thought that the government are trying to help people. Nope. They're telling you to buy a house to live in. And they're telling you it has to be a new build. They want you to be poor. That's what they want. They want you to buy a house to live in so you've got a big mortgage. A house that you live in, the mortgage is bad debt because the house isn't giving you any money. You want to buy an investment property. And the investment property makes you money. That's good debt. They don't want you doing that. The system don't want you doing what I'm teaching. The media don't like this. The media tell you, buy a holiday and pay for it later and whack it on a credit card. And as soon as you stop buying properties creatively, they don't like it. So anyway, hope this video was helpful. You want to know more about raising finance and joint ventures? Because that's the skill. This business is a numbers business. It's also a people business. Property investing is a people business. You need to be able to get good at finding deals. Who do they come from? People! And you need to find good at getting investors. Who are investors? They're people. You need to be able to raise finance. You need to be able to joint venture if you want to get on in this world. So, listen, I'm running a webinar on how to raise finance, how to joint venture. It's free. It's a free webinar. And I'll leave a link in the description. Get yourself booked on. It's going to be amazing. And do me a favor. I do a video every single day. Just smash the like button. Subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.